Hello and welcome to Performance Kitchens. And I'm glad that you sourced us out and are wanting to get to know more about us. So in the upcoming communications, and if you ever get to come and see us at our beautiful showroom, I think one of the things that you'll notice the most is the organization and the attention to detail. We're often praised for being able to run so many jobs and get so many jobs completed in such a timely fashion. And I think when you see all the attention to detail that we go through and the logical sequential order that we help you make decisions in, I'll pretty much bet that you will understand why we don't waste a lot of time and don't make a lot of mistakes. And that's important because time is money, and when you're dealing with things that are going to last a long time, you want them to be the right decisions so that you don't have to either do them twice in the process of doing them or get tired with them and have to remove them and redo them. So once again, I thank you for either finding us yourself or hearing from a friend or a neighbor, and hopefully you will come to all great conclusions, and we'll be able to help you through the process. And if anybody's not taking care of you, you let me know, and I'll never find out, but I just wanted to welcome you anyway. Thank you.